Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Quick tutorial on my eyebrows. Before I start, I'm gonna brush my hair and put them in place, and I'm gonna take this pencil that I got from a local beauty supply store and just draw the outline of my actual brow. This is just me twisting extra hair to get the perfect shape that I want, or to make the concealer apply smoothly when I'm cleaning it. Now I'm gonna brush it to distribute the product. I'm gonna go in with my ABH dipbrow to fill in the potholes and make some hairline strokes in the front of my eyebrow to make it look more natural. Now I'm gonna take my concealer and this small brush that I got from MAC to clean around my edges, around the brows. And I'm using a concealer that is one shade darker than my skin, not too bright. Just cleaning around the same shape that I drew, and I'm gonna do the same on the top. Now I'm gonna blend out the concealer so my brow will look more natural and not have any concealer sitting on top of my eyebrow or under the brow. Yeah, you don't want that. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.